Our next option is one-page checkout, and from here you can enable one-page checkout or disable it, or you can enable one-page checkout for all products and can choose the form position from here, and can empty cart on page load from here. You can enable or disable this option, or you can add to cart on page load. There is also option for enable or disable, and you can also hide add to cart button from here. And this option is for multi-product one-page checkout. There is also option for empty cart on page load and add to cart on page load. You can enable or disable them anytime. As we have enabled one-page checkout for all products, now if we click Save Changes and visit any product pages, you will see a checkout option here. So let's go back to our plugin dashboard.